Hello, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd add in a dish I made the other day, dirty rice. I didn't do the Cajun version because I don't love too much spice, but I took some vegetables, peppers, onions, carrots, and I sauteed them in a little bit of olive oil with some ground turkey. I used the seasonings here and I mixed it up. It didn't take long. My rice, I pre-cooked it and added it in. It may have taken 30 minutes or so to make this entire dish. I loved it. But I also put some cucumbers with it. I don't know if when you guys were growing up, your mom made salad dressing from Miracle Whip. Mine's added a little bit of milk in hers, some salt and pepper or other seasoning, and that was the dressing for the salad. Yep. I do love ginger beer too, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye.